Welcome to yet another weekend, and where we are right now, we're in North Staffordshire at the Roaches. It's Friday evening, waiting for a sunset.
With a nice new tiny little camera bag.
Look at his nice new little tiny camera bag. It's insy wincy. Got a lot going on this weekend. Tonight we're trying to get a sunset. Tomorrow night I'm playing the Underground in Stoke-on-Trent with Deluge, which should be a good gig, supporting the Julia Mosley band. So hopefully I'll be able to bring you along to that one. Check this view out. Just for a bit of detail where we actually are, over here we have Titsworth Reservoir looking over to Leek just over there in North Staffordshire, and then down this valley here you're looking towards Cheshire, and then over this way you've got Macclesfield, and over these ridges here you've got Buxton, Manchester and all that, and Stockport. This is absolutely stunning tonight. We've got a little bit of cloud and clear skies over here. See the cloud, it's just giving that little bit of colour. We're about an hour off sunset. We're just having a little scour around to see what compositions we can get, and I'm just trying not to fall over. Tripods at the ready. Let's see what we can find. Can you see me? What I'm trying to do here, I've got a rock here right on the edge. I'm going to underexpose myself, make myself into a silhouette with the GoPro like this. I'm going to be bold to say I'm going to get a new profile picture out of this. Might not work, I'm going to put it on a 10-second timer. So I press the button and run over here and get the shot. See how it goes. Ready to run. Pressing the button. Run! Pose! It's taken. Let's hopefully get up on screen. Oh, I like that. I'm going to take one more though. See what we can do with it. Shots go. Really? Not really.
No, not too bad.
He's been down here somewhere. There's like a couple of huts down there, a bit derelict. Remember, follow him on Instagram at Lee Scally. Sun's just about to disappear. We'll definitely see you tomorrow. It is gig day tomorrow. Hopefully I'm going to try and bring you along.
the 6 boys, the 7 girls, they've been led astray. We're stuck here together. Don't worry, the beast will take things too far.
I'll tell you what's inside. Do everything to you that you did to me. Realign, be your obsession.
So we're here at the Underground, and we have Miss Julia
Charlotte.
and Charlotte. What kind of music are you playing tonight?
It's quite, what is it? Fairy tale-ish, yeah.
Fairy
And quite
tale-ish.
dramatic.
And what's this face stuff I've seen as well?
Oh, you mean the gems?
Yeah.
Well, later on we're going to have gems.
They won't give me any gems from my face.
Poor Greg.
I know. I want some gems.
Tesco.
Tesco.
Oh no, we shouldn't be
going to
branded,
Tesco.
should we? Dropping brand.
That was not an endorsed.
Ace.
We'll look forward to seeing you later.
Bye.
Everybody here has got somebody to lean on. Thank you.